Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get Snapchat Premium for iPhone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open App Store in iPhone and search for the Snapchat and update your Snapchat application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the Snapchat, and here you can see the option of Snapchat Plus. You simply click on that and join that. And you must be reside in those countries, that is USA, Canada, UK, France, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia and the UAE, because this feature is only launched in these countries. And if you are not in those countries, you need to wait, because Snapchat is rolling out this feature soon in all other countries. So this is a process by which you can get Snapchat Premium in iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.